we start a chapter 7 coordinate geometry for class 10. Please see here, please subscribe this channel, like, comment and share this video. First we start the remember things. Here there is x axis and x dash axis, x o x dash axis, and here the y o y dash axis. Okay, here the position of point P in the Cartesian plane, that is the Cartesian plane, that is x axis and y axis, it is called a Cartesian plane. Position of the point P in the Cartesian plane with respect to coordinate axis. Coordinate axis x o x dash axis and y o y dash axis. Coordinate axis is represented by the order pair P of xy. P of xy is a order pair. First coordinate is always on x axis and second coordinate is always on y axis. Here x o x dash and y o y dash intersecting at point. That point is called origin. Here the line x dash o x, that is called the x axis, that is called a horizontal line, otherwise abscissa. And y o y dash o y, otherwise y o y dash, it is called a y axis, and that is called a vertical line. Line y dash o y is called a y axis, otherwise vertical line. And x axis and y axis are intersect at point O. That point is called origin and its coordinate is always 0, 0. Okay. And the x o x dash and y o y dash intersecting at point O, that is called origin. That are four quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth part. We divide the x o x dash and y o y dash are four equal parts. First part is x o y, that is the first quadrant. Both number is positive. Second is x dash o y, that is the second quadrant, negative positive. Third quadrant x dash o y, that is negative, that is the third quadrant. And x o y dash, that is the fourth quadrant, that is positive, negative. Okay. Here the perpendicular distance of a point P from the y-axis. The perpendicular distance from a point P on the y-axis, the perpendicular distance, that is called a x coordinate. That is called a x coordinate. It is called an abscissa. The perpendicular distance of a point P from the y-axis, that is called x coordinate, that is a abscissa. Similarly, the perpendicular distance of a point P from the x-axis, perpendicular distance from the point P on the x-axis, that is called a y coordinate. Okay, the perpendicular distance of the point P from the x-axis, that is called y coordinate. Y coordinate is ordinate. X-axis called abscissa and y-axis is called ordinates. Any point on the x-axis is of the form point always on x-axis, that point is P of x0, y coordinate is 0. Suppose the point lies on x-axis, that point P of x0, that y coordinate is 0. And any point on the y-axis is of the form point lies on y-axis, that means x coordinate is 0, that point is q 0 y. Okay. Here px1 0, that point is lies on x-axis, and px2 and qx2 0. Point px1 0 and point qx2 0 are 2 points on the x-axis. Both point lies on x-axis. Then the distance between them, pq, is always magnitude, means distance is always positive. Then x2 minus x1. Suppose point P is 5 0 and point Q is 2 0. The distance between point PQ, that is 2 minus 5, x2 minus x1, that is negative 3, but distance is always positive, that PQ is equal to 3 unit. Okay. Similarly, A point 0 y1 and B point 0 y2 are 2 points on the y-axis. The distance between them, AB is equal to y2 minus y1. Similarly, point A is 0 1 and point B is 0 7. The distance between 2 points y2 minus y1, that means 7 minus 1, that is equal to 6. Therefore, distance AB is equal to 6 units. Okay. Thank you very much.